Hello friends, my name is Habib. Today we're going to learn how to make parallax effect using HTML and CSS. So first, body, and next I'm going to write H1. I'm going to have a text that says hello. And for the H1, I'm going to set the text align to center. I'm going to put it in a div. ID is equal to C, hashtag C, height 100 SVH, display grid, place items center, now I'm going to create a new div. ID equals to D, hashtag D, width 100 SVW, and finally height like 500 pixels. We'll set the background color to crimson. There we go. Oh yeah, a body, overflow, X, hidden, now I want it to be so that when I scroll, this hello world is not going to move, it's just going to stay in one place. So alright, hashtag C, position fixed, Z index -1, and now hashtag D, padding 200 pixels. It was meant to be margin top, $500. H1 position fixed. There we go. Z index -1. Let me reduce the margin. 100. Margin top. There we go. Next, I'm going to add some styling. So I'll go to Google Fonts. First, I'll increase the size of the hello world. I'll set the font size to REM, 10 REM, no, maybe 6 REM. Roboto, type tester, lifts. Well, click on get font and then get embed code at import. copy this link. I then write asterisk font family Roboto and then I'll set the background color is set to light red. Background color and now for the H1 I'll set its color copy paste. There we go. Hello world. And now for this, change color to this. Hashtag D background color. There we go. Now I want this hashtag D to be fully centered as at this position to relative right 0 pixels. What's it meant to be left? 0 pixels. $10 pixels. Okay. Right 10 pixels. There we go. As add an right top 10 pixels. There we go. Hello world. Now I'm going to put some text in here. Ipsum. Oh, I'm going to give this H1 an ID of H. So write hashtag H. No, I don't want to do this. There we go. And now for the hashtag D, I'll set display to grid. I'll set the place items. Place items to center. And then hashtag DH1. I'll increase the size to like font size 10 rem. Choose a nice color for it. Color. There we go. Anyways, that is it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, ObaCode. Bye.